Your app's performance is crucial to your users' happiness and your app's success. An internal study of reviews on Google Play found that half of one-star reviews mentioned stability or crashes. By identifying and fixing issues and bad behaviors, you could see happier users and better ratings, which will also improve your app's discoverability. Introducing Android Vitals. Android Vitals in the Play console gives you new data so you can understand your app's stability, battery usage, and render time on real devices. Stability. Android Vitals include 2 bad behaviors relating to stability: application not responding errors, or ANRs, and crashes. ANRs occur when the application freezes and stops responding to user input for more than 5 seconds. This is usually caused by deadlocks, slowness in UI threads, or background processes. When your app crashes, it can be a frustrating experience for the user, impacting retention and leading to bad reviews. The crash rate will show you the percentage of users experiencing crashes in your app. One way to address stability issues is to run pre-launch reports, which will test your alpha or beta app on physical devices, so you can identify and fix issues before you launch. Battery. Well-behaved apps don't consume battery by keeping the device radio and CPU on unnecessarily. Android Vitals lets you see the metrics for 2 common causes of battery drain: wake-ups and wake-locks. Wake-ups are caused by alarms performing time-based operations that prevent an idle device from sleeping. Wake-locks are when the app has your device working so hard it won't allow it to sleep. For better battery life, you can use job scheduling APIs to schedule asynchronous tasks and specify conditions to maximize efficiency. This is suitable for small tasks like clearing a cache and for large ones like syncing a database to the cloud. Render time. The speed at which your app renders impacts user perception of your app performance. Slow render time or frozen frames lead to bad reviews. Apps that have a render time of 16 milliseconds or reach 60 frames per second produce a silky smooth experience for your users. This is the rate at which users can perceive smooth motion within your app. Therefore, Android Vitals lets you see what percentage of users experienced more than 50% of frames with a render time of greater than 16 milliseconds, so you can provide a smooth experience across all devices. Anything greater than a render time of 700 milliseconds is considered a frozen frame, and at this rate, users consider an app to be unresponsive. Avoid slow render times or frozen frames by using Framemetrics APIs to measure per-interaction frame render times for devices during production. Find out about other features in the Play console and get tips to grow your app or game business with the Playbook app, available on Google Play.